Okay, writing into. Yeah, it is. Alrighty, so what are we doing today? What is an indefinite integral? And we're going to start with a do now. Where did you go? Okay, no calculators, no groups on this. Here, take one pencil down.
Oh, we're getting a worksheet?
Work on here, put your name on this, and collect it and see what you did. Then we'll get into groups in a minute. Yes. All right, so this is a part 1 question from 1998 on the BC exam, part 1A, number 15. What is the antiderivative of x cosine x? And I copied this. I did this from memory. My choices are a little different. Yeah, like E. Look at E.
Yeah,
None of the above. Yeah.
Oh,
no, you mean not.
None of the above. All right. Well, the correct choice is here and there, so you're okay. Don't worry about those choices. Just do the question. All right. Let's see what you get.
well, we'll see which one's matched, and then I'll know which one's right.
Yes. Do now. Read right now. So we have a read right now. And don't forget your view notate later, your screencast you're going to watch later. And then we're going to do a little classwork in groups in a minute. At part 2 question coming up. This is what we're doing right now, 98 BC 1A to 15. All right, how'd you do? You're doing process elimination? Yes. How are you eliminating choices though? Uh-huh. Good. Using the derivative. Right. Good idea. Maybe you want to show a little work on here? There you go.
What do you do this way right now?
I like it. That's good. We don't actually know how to integrate this one, do we? No. Is this a definite or indefinite integral?
Indefinite.
Indefinite. How do you know? There's no limits of integration. Doesn't go from like 1 to 2, right? Okay. So, what if it had limits of integration? What would the answers look like? Numbers, areas, right? Okay, good. So, when you get an area, what's a definite integral? When you get the plus C, what's an indefinite integral? Alrighty. Who thinks they got the answer? Want to show us on the board? Show us what you did. Alright. Go ahead. Guest lecturer. There we go.
I just went through all the different options by differentiating each and see which one led me to x cosine x. So the first one obviously doesn't work because then x sine x, when you differentiate that, you just do the product rule, so it's x cos x plus sine x. So that doesn't work. But then for the second one, it's x sine x plus cos x.
You can just go to the right side.
Okay.
Go to the top right.
When you differentiate that, you do the product rule again, so you end up with this part.
first times root of the second, plus second times root of the first.
And then when you differentiate the second part, cosine x, that's just negative sine x. So then these two terms.
And you end up with the integrand. Nice. Good. So you don't have to answer this question by integrating. You can answer this question by differentiating. And so a number of you did that. Well, you sneaky.
You could also
Okay. Huh?
integrate it by parts.
Yeah, there's this technique called integration by parts, which is sort of like a product rule. How do you integrate a product of function x and the function cosine x? We haven't talked about that yet. So your only recourse is the correct antiderivative. Its derivative is the integrand you started with, and that's what he came up with. If you differentiate this, you end up with what you started. Perfect. Nice. Okay, put your name on it and hand it to the middle. Put your name on the sheet and hand it to the middle. I want to see how you did. What did you get right at? Yeah, that's fine. More than one way to skin a cat. That's fine. This is not a grade. This is just sample work. Just want to see how you're doing. Sample student work. Sample. Alrighty. Next. Alright, so don't forget your homework today. Page 316 multiple 2. We'll be talking about indefinite and stuff like that. Alright, we did it part 1. Let's do it part 2. Kindly consider the following. 88AB6. Let f be a differentiable function defined for all real numbers x with the following properties. F prime is given, and f prime of 1 is 6, and f double prime of 1 is 18. Stop. Can you figure out A and B?
Yeah.
Okay, go for it. Get your groups, get your boards, get your markers, get your groups, get your markers, get your erasers. Get your groups, go. Let's see. Find A and B. The question is eventually to find the function f. All right, scribes in the middle of each group, please, so everyone can see what you're doing. We need an orator, we need a scribe, we need a critic, we need an arbiter. The group is too big. We can split up in the front. All right, you can do like we usually do. Just try and be in the middle with the scribes. I tried.
The PDF is already there.
Yeah, look it up on Edmodo. Go ahead.
So you know the integral of that is going to be
Okay, so we can find A with B, right, so B,
No, I'm not going to do that for a second. Danny, did you solve it yet?
yeah.
So you got to plug in. Yeah, you can plug in and then you find it. B is equal to 8 over 6.
Yeah, B is negative.
Those are the two values.
All you need right now.
So then,
You're trying to figure out what f was.
Right. Because F double prime is 18 and it's also 2A.
and
wow.
2a plus
second
b
derivative.
equals 8.
First derivative is 2ax plus b. Second derivative is just 2a.
That looks like a 6 to me. So now you just.
Oh,
You got it. Second derivative.
Wait,
No, b equals 6 minus 8.
how do you know to put a plus b?
Because you're using this one.
Yeah.
It equals it's where this equals 1. So when this is 1, it's just. Yeah, it's just equal. Good job, guys.
Guys, show your work. I want to see what you're doing to get A and B.
Plus b x equals 6. And
All you're doing is using what's on the board. You don't need anything else yet.
of 1 though. Both of those are 1.
Yeah.
So
This
a
was an
plus
86. This was
b
sort of
equals
difficult for the
6.
AB students so that they didn't prompt too much or prompting you.
And
At this point, you want to find A and B first.
2a plus b equals 18.
Right, just use the first two givens. All you need right now.
What?
Those
Oh.
givens, right there. Your, what is it, I and II?
And then,
Oh, so one of them has to be negative.
yeah. Okay, so then b
That's
minus
not
a
a model
equals
of
6. I mean,
No,
That's-
b
I
equals
mean,
a
yeah.
minus 6 minus a.
Oh no, we can just
Yeah, b.
Oh, that's what you need. What'd you get?
So you plug in 1 for x, I mean 1 for,
Yeah,
one, Chelsea, if you plug in 1 for x,
So a is
Show your work, guys. You can show your boards. We're going to present.
Oh, that makes sense. Yeah.
and then go on for x.
Yeah.
Guys, help each other out.
Oh, hi. You asked us to talk. Okay, so now what we do.
Don't tell me every single step, just the first step. What'd you do first, anybody? What'd you do first, anybody? You got the second derivative, right? What was it?
Yay!
2ax plus b. Okay. That's your first step. Don't integrate, differentiate. Just like
There
the
you
first
go.
step.
And then just plug it into.
Eventually, we've got to get
So
f.
A
So right
plus
now,
B.
just figure out a and b.
Is that the goal of the problem, to find A and B?
Yeah. Well, yeah.
Then I guess we just.
All right, is everyone done with A and B? Did you get an answer?
yeah.
Okay, what was A? 12. What was B? -6. Okay. Who's going to present? Get this right? Who's the orator? All right. So, all right, we're going to present the solution over here. Let's see it. All right, so put it up high so everyone can see it. And Noel has to like kneel or something. Get a little lower, Noel. Okay. All right, explain.
All right, here are the 3 givens. That the I, and I.
Okay.
So we found the second derivative by 2ax plus b, and then we did simultaneous equations since we knew these 2 parts. So we had f prime of 1 is equal to a plus b equals 6, because f prime of 1 equals 6, and when you plug in 1 here, the x's, the coefficients of a and b are both 1. With double prime, it's equal to 18, so 2ax plus b equals 18. Again, it's x. That's when x is 1. So that's 2a plus b equals 18. Then we found b in terms of a with the f prime equation and plugged that into the f double prime equation.
Substitution method. Okay, good.
Substitution, yeah. And then that gave us a plus 6 equals 18, and a equals 12. And the only way that can work is, or if you just plug the a back into this, you get b equals -6.
Okay, good. All right, thank you. Good. Everyone agree? Anyone disagree? Anyone got a question, comment, problem? We're good? Okay, up here. I did the same thing. I found second derivative. I plugged in 1 for x. Wherever I see x, I put a 1. Wherever I see x, I put a 1. Now f double prime is 18, and f at 1, and f prime at 1 is 6. I didn't do substitution. Guess what I did? I did elimination. I did
Subtract.
subtract. So